Namaste. Periyava Saranam. Purta Dharma. Public service by collective action. The Sanskrit dictionary Amaram says Purtham Kathati Karmayat. This means that activities like Katham are called Purtham. Katham means digging. That is, doing service by digging a tank, well, or canal. It is because we have forgotten the Spurta Dharma extolled in Shastras that we continue to suffer on account of water problem. These days, digging has been given up, but filling has become an important work. When taps go dry or the water supplied is dirty, we feel sorry that we have filled up the tank and closed the wells. In the olden times, the tanks, the feeder canals, the canals were kept clean for draining. The well is useful for only the humans who can draw water from it, but a tank is useful to all creatures, including the cows and the sparrows. Laying pathways is a dharma. Planting trees is another dharma. In addition to planting new trees, we have to ensure that the existing ones are not cut. What is newly planted should be watered daily and helped to grow into a tree. There are virtuous deeds, punya karmas, which can be performed by a particular part of our body in order to remove the blemish caused by that part. To clean up the mind, which is like a garbage bin, it is possible to meditate with the same mind. To clean up the tongue, which talks all sorts of things, it is possible to recite the Lord's names using the same tongue. To clean up the brain, which indulges in crooked thinking, we can use it for philosophical research. In the same way, we commit several wrongs with our body, the hands, legs, etc. That should be cleaned only with the same body. This cleaning, which we do by physical effort, is Purta Dharma, service for public good. It is capable of purifying the mind. This is because there is the basic thought in our mind about service to others which induces action. Compassion is a great quality which must be in everyone's mind. In order to give shape to that compassion, it is very necessary to act with the body. What Vinoba has been describing as Shramdan is what our Shastras have laid down as Purta Dharma. My desire is that at least one day in the week, everyone, whoever he may be, must engage himself in his bodily service. There is a weekly holiday. On that day, as service to the world, some public work must be done. Purta Dharmam must be done wholeheartedly. It is true that each one will have a lot of domestic engagements. Normally, such domestic chores are kept aside for being attended to on the weekly holiday. Yet, along with these, the duty towards the larger family of Parvati Parameshwara has also to be discharged. One should not be given up for the sake of the other. At least for the short time, work connected with the public service must be done. Bodily service is an exercise for the body also. Also, when it is done as a service to others, there will be a special joy in the mind. In the end, it will purify the mind. People should come together and carry out the work collectively. This way, it would be possible to render greater help than when each one acts individually. Moreover, in this Kali Yuga, what is done together as a group will only be more rewarding. There is a saying, Kalavu Sange Shaktihi. In the earlier yugas, people individually had great physical and mental power. Now that is gone. That is why we see almost everything is a mass movement these days. One should channelize this collective power for developing social activities. Discipline is very essential for those who come together for public service. There should be no slackening of the sense of responsibility towards the work undertaken. Like this, truthfulness and inner purity are necessary. They should move with people with love and talk to them sweetly. They should be able to create the confidence that they are absolutely above board in handling money matters. They should not reply in an impatient or irresponsible manner to those who have legitimate doubts. At the same time, because some doubting Thomases or floating rumors, one should not get the feeling, why all this for us in helping others, and give up public service. In other words, they should have the attitude to ignore such things which affect their reputation. Periyava Saranam.